It's Crusoe. How you going? I'm doing a couple of architraves because the owner didn't want to get the builder back just for a little, you know, just a couple of architraves, or 4 actually. And I said, look, it's just as easy for me to do them, because I'd rather go into a decent architrave, a bigger profile architrave, than go into a sucky bloody thin architrave that's only 10 mil and your tile is 10 mil plus glue, you know, and 9 times out of 10 you got a rough cut edge. So when you have a bigger profile architrave like that, you got something decent to silicon up against. See how I make a mark and then I make another mark in the direction it goes. This is the bathroom that I've just grouted. I'm going to silicon it next. But yeah, this is my 6th day, and the toilet and the laundry floor. So yeah, I've done the architraves in this one. I just got to nail them off and then silicon up and around. I'm going to do that one next. So I better stop talking and get into it. This mitre saw I use for my aluminium, but it still do the job for architraves. Bring it along just a little bit more. That's the ticket. A more expensive saw has a hole and a little doofus that goes in, clicks in, bang. You know you're dead accurate every time. Mine's a little bit cheaper than that because I don't use it very often, only when I'm mitering aluminium. Right, hammer. Oh yeah, there it is. I've got to clean up those in a sec. I just want to get these architraves on first. Whooshka. Always when you're doing finishing like this, don't try and hit your nail all the way home. Stay out a bit and then just use your punch. And then you don't get your hammer marks on your architrave, on your timber, on your finished timber. Whooshka. Everyone uses a nail gun, and I have one, but it's on a compressor and hose. I use it for nailing off cement sheet when I'm going over a wooden floor. But too much hassle to set it all up just for a couple of architraves. Where is that it? No. That is it. That's how I mark my top architrave. Square it across. Make a line. Cut the one that you've already got it set up. Spin it around to your 45, it's on the mark, tighten it up.